Okay, so guys, this is Router FX. If today is your first time watching my video on TikTok or on YouTube, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and then comment and share my videos. If you want to learn, you want to know more about forex trading, send me a message and I'll respond to you. I'll add you to my trading community. I'll train you and help you to trade forex. I teach for free, so I'm a forex mentor and a forex trader as well. So in this video, I'm going to take you through how to use a specific indicator that will change the game for you as a beginner trader. This indicator is called the MACD indicator. The MACD indicator is also known as the moving average converging diverging indicator, and is used to determine the momentum of the market and also used to determine a trend follow. It's also called a trend following indicator. Okay, that is used to spot a potential reversal point on the market and also an entry and exit point on the market. So this MACD indicator we're going to talk about is very important, and it will help you as a beginner trader, help you to flip your account, help you to make the right decision on the market. And so make sure you watch this video to the end and you understand perfectly how to use the MACD indicator, which is going to change the game for you. If you've not been profitable for some years or for some time now, then this video is going to give you a strategy that will help you to trade forex or crypto. Now, this is the MACD indicator. Okay, the MACD indicator comprises of a signal line, a MACD line. The blue lines are called the MACD line, and then we have the signal line, which is the moving average, the red line that is moving above and below the MACD lines. Okay, then we have a 0 point, we have a negative side of the MACD, and then we have a positive side of the MACD. So when the MACD line and then the signal line crosses above the 0 line, then we say the MACD is positive. If it closes or it's crossed below the 0 line, then we say MACD is negative. So we use this to enter a buy market or a sell market. So how do you determine the momentum? How do you spot a reversal of the market? So first of all, whenever the MACD line, whenever it crosses above the signal line, so we know the signal line is the red line that you can see over there. So when MACD crosses above it, okay, then we say that MACD is positive, and so we look for opportunity for a buy entry. So even if the market is moving in a downtrend, or when the MACD is below the 0 line, and you spot that the MACD now has crossed above or is moving above the signal line, that is an indication that the market will start buying. So when you check this market closely, you realize that when the MACD cross above the signal line, which is the red line, the market started pushing up to the upside. So it first of all crosses above the signal line and then continue to push and close above the 0 line and started pushing strongly to the upside. So anytime MACD crosses above the signal line, we see an uptrend, or we see that the market start pushing to the upside. So that's where you start looking for your buy entry. So it helps you to enter for buy as early as possible, even before the market crosses above the 0 line. Once it crosses above the 0 line, that's an indication that the market will continue to push to the upside, and so you buy or you hold your buy position, and as it continues pushing above the signal line, you make profits. Also, if you spot that the MACD has started moving below the signal line. As you can see now over here at this particular point, MACD is below the signal line, and so you realize that on the real chart the market have started pushing to the downside. That is why the MACD is below the signal line, and it continues like that until they push to the downside. Also, once you see a MACD that crosses above it again, then the market started pushing up again. Okay, so we use this strategy to spot an entry point and then an exit point, whether to buy or sell the market. It will depend on your understanding of the MACD indicator. So it's used to determine the momentum of the market, and also used to spot an entry and then an exit point of the market. So if the market is moving in an uptrend, then you use the MACD indicator to spot an entry or a reversal immediately. For example, when you look at this particular one, after you've entered over here, this particular side, you entered over here, just because MACD is above the signal line, and you hold your position all the way to this area. So if this area, that is somewhere here, you entered somewhere here, and then you hold your position until the market hits this particular area, then MACD, how do you know that you have to sell? You have to sell because the MACD have crossed below the signal line, and so you hold your position again and take some profit before, once you see MACD crossing over again to crossing above the signal line, then you know that the market will continue to push to the outside. So if you have a sell entry, then you have to exit, take your profit, then you follow the trend. This is how we use the MACD indicator in our daily trading as a beginner traders and also professional traders. Okay, so also when you see that the MACD is below the signal line, for example, when you spot this area on the chart, okay, and you check this area on the MACD indicator, you realize that now the MACD indicator is moving below the signal line, and in the real chart you could see that the market is pushing to the downside. So that is how we trade with the MACD indicator. If today is your first time watching my video, this is Ruta FX. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment and share. If you are interested in learning forex, send me a DM. I'll add you to my trading community. I'll train you. If you've not traded forex before, I'll train you, teach you, and give you all the tips you have to know in forex, and then I'll trade live with you as well. And so if you are interested, send me a DM, and then subscribe to my YouTube channel as well, and send me a DM. I'll add you to my WhatsApp group and then my trading community, and then I'll mentor you. Everything is free. Once you are interested, send me a DM. So this is how we use the MACD indicator to spot a reversal on the market or a continuation of the market. So if you found this video helpful, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Ruta FX. You can follow me on all social media, X, TikTok. Subscribe to my YouTube channel at what? Ruta FX. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video. In the next video, I'm going to teach you how to a price action with indicators, and then it will help you to change the game for you. See you some other time. Bye bye.